Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 72. We are on the Unit 7, Music and Song. So Lesson 1, Vocab. Activity 1, read and match the definitions to the correct words. So already given answer number 1 is C. So this is a musical instrument in the shape of a box. And number 2, music with a strong rhythm and spoken words. So this is basically rap. So if you heard some famous American rapper like Eminem, so he's a rapper that perform a music with a strong rhythm and spoken words. So number 2 is D. Number 3, traditional music that often tells a story. So this is folk music. So number 3 is E. And then number 4, a more serious style of music often played on a piano. So number 4 is A. So just like music by Beethoven. So number 4 is A. Number 5, a type of modern music which young people often like. So this is pop music. So just like Michael Jackson, he sang many of the pop music. So number 5 is B. Next, we take a look at Activity 2. Activity 2, read the definitions and write the correct words. So number 1, a regular, repeated pattern of sounds in music. So this is rhythm. So one thing to point out is that, so don't confuse these two words here. So one is rhythm and then one is rhyme. So rhythm, you just learn from the previous activity. So rhythm, and then this one is usually nursery rhyme. So don't confuse between these two words. And then number 2, to act, sing, dance, or play music in front of people. So this is some kind of performance. So this is perform. Number 3, to travel around playing music in different places. So this is tour. So this is not pronounced as tower. So this is tour. Number 4, the sound and rhythm of a song or a piece of music. So this is tune. And number 5, to give publicity to something to make it popular. So this is promote. So just like maybe you use Facebook as a social media to promote your song. So this is just an example. So promote. And then let's take a look at activity 3. Activity 3, complete the dialogue with the words from activities 1 and 2. So what's your favorite type of music? I especially like rap because I love the cool words and chants. I don't like, so this is because it's too traditional. So maybe this is folk music. Because it's too traditional. At school, I played so on my violin. So this is classical music. Classical music on my violin, but I prefer more modern styles, light, so pop music. So POP. And then again A, what instruments do you play? I play the violin, the guitar, and the two. So this is basically another noun or another musical instrument. So we have this violin, guitar. So this is accordion. So double C. What are your plans for the future? Well, I'm writing a new song right now. I've written the words and now I'm working on the music. It's got a grid which is easy to sing along to because it's got a very regular. So this is rhythm, and this is it's got a great tune, and this is a regular rhythm. THM. I'm going to Europe. So this is to tour. To tour Europe and my new song at concerts. So this is perform. Perform my new songs at concerts. You can find all the dates and places on the internet. I'm using social media to promote the song. So this promote. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook. We are on page 72. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here and then you can consume the related contents here. And right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.